Hi guys, in this video let's see the second part, which is on how to control iOS device via Windows PC. I have separately made a video on how to mirror iOS device as part 1. If you haven't watched it, please watch it and continue with this video. So let's get started with part 2. In order to control your iOS device via Windows PC, your PC must and should have Bluetooth module, or else this won't work. Let's start by installing the necessary application. Open web browser and search for Across Keyboard Share. And click on the top link as shown. So from here, download this application. As we are using Windows platform, download the Windows version. I have already downloaded it, so I am pausing it. Install the downloaded file. We are using trial version of the application. It works only for 30 minutes after computer starts without any limit. After 30 minutes, some of the keys will not work. Those keys are Q, W, E, I, O, P. These keys won't work after 30 minutes. There is a workaround for this. I will share the trick in the later part of the video. After installation gets completed, it asks us to restart our PC, so restart it. After restarting, click on Start menu, click on Across Center to start it. Now in the taskbar, click on Show Hidden Icons. Here you can find Across Center, right click on it. So here switch to server mode. Now again click on Across Center, open Across Center, turn on Bluetooth of your Windows PC. Here you can see the Bluetooth is turned on, and click on Add. After clicking on Add, you will see a pop-up like this. So and now in your iOS device, go to Bluetooth settings, turn on Bluetooth and connect to your Windows PC's Bluetooth. After successful pairing, it asks you to name your device and select an icon for it. After pairing, you can see your device under Paired Devices. We can drag and drop our device into any of the 4 boxes as shown. If we drop our device on the top box, if we move our mouse towards the top edge of the screen, the control of mouse will shift to our iOS device. If we place the icon on right side column and if we move the mouse towards right hand side of the screen, the mouse will be shared to the iOS device. Choose any one column and click on apply. Change the settings as follows for better experience. Go to General, Trackpad and Mouse. Adjust tracking speed as per your convenience. After that, navigate to Accessibility, Touch, Assistive Touch. Turn on Assistive Touch. Scroll down and go to Devices. Click on your laptop's connection. Click on Customize Additional button. Before that, bring the mouse control to iOS device. Now click right click of mouse and from here select Home, so that when we click on right click of mouse, it acts as clicking Home button. If we double click right click, it gives us recent menu. Go back twice and here enable show on screen keyboard. This helps us to enter the restricted keys of trial version. Now under accessibility, click on pointer control. Here disable pointer animations and you can change pointer size as per your interest. By this all the settings has completed. Now you can control your iOS device via your Windows PC. We can even type by using laptop's keyboard, or we can use on-screen keyboard in case of restricted keys. To switch control of mouse and keyboard back to PC, press both control buttons at the same time or the scroll wheel of mouse. Now let me show you how to use both mirror and control at the same time. Open up our mirror, connect your iOS device via USB. And use it as normal. So here you can see we are mirroring the device onto Windows PC and we are controlling it on the Windows PC. By this we can mirror and control iOS device. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If this helps you, consider subscribing.